Welcome back. Just a little channel update. The silver bar pours have been a little slow coming out. I'm working on cleaning up some silver and getting the silver cell up and running soon. We'll keep you posted, but this is just kind of like a little hint of what's coming down the pike. I've got to get back motivated. I've been kind of down in the dumps and sluggish, not really working on a lot of things in the lab, but we're going to get back on track. So, welcome back. This is the AP bucket we put the chips in last week. You can see there's a couple of gold foils in there, and the IC chips really what I'm after. They separate the circuit board very well. Solution is still green. I've got to go put some gloves on and clean up a little, but we're going to put this in a copper wastewater to clean it up, and then we'll get back at you.